In this video, we are going to show you how to enable 2FA or two-factor authentication for Shopify. If you want to enable two-factor authentication to prime up your security even more for your account, it's actually not that hard. You need to be signed into your Shopify account, and once you are in your admin dashboard, I want you to look towards the upper right corner of your screen over here, which is pretty much your store name. So click on it and this small pop-up will appear. I want you to click on your profile, which is this one. So click on this one. So a new tab will appear, and under general, right there, this is going to be your general profile, and on the left hand side you have two options, general and security. I want you to click on security like so, and if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see two-step authentication or two-factor authentication, and it is off. So to turn it on, just click turn on two-step, and then this pop-up will appear. So you need to re-authenticate your Google account or your email account. So let's do that right now. It's going to make you sign in again. So click on the Google email that you've used. And as you can see here, review your security settings, so on and so forth. So click confirm. And here you're going to be asked for add passkey, not now. Then click on two-step again, turn on two-step again. There you go. You can use an authenticator app, pretty much using your phone, just like in any other setting up two-factor authentication in Google and other websites. So after that, you'll be able to turn it on and you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.